Hello Snowflake engineers and welcome to the video. If you don't know me, I am Sujit Nair, a cloud data architect. I am also a Snowflake Snowpro certified professional. In today's video, I will be covering certification question related to Snowpro. Let's begin.
Which method can be used to delete staged files from a Snowflake stage? You need to choose two. I will give you a few seconds to decide on an answer. If you need more time, please use the pause button. And the right answer for this question is specify the purge copy option in the copy command and use the remove command after the load completes. Now let's jump into a demo to try and verify if this is accurate. Before I begin the demo, I would like to take you to the cloud storage to show you a file. I have a file here called Netflix underscore titles.csv inside a folder called CSV. Now the reason I'm showing you this is because I'm going to make an attempt to load this file into a table in Snowflake and delete the file as this question asks for after I finish the load. Okay, so I begin by using use database target. I create a CSV file format. And the reason I create a CSV file format is because the file that I'm planning to load is a CSV file. I'll create an external stage called AWS stage using the file format that I just created. If you look at this directory matches up with the directory that we have here where we have the file we need to load. So let's go ahead and create the stage. Next step is to create a table which will hold the data. Now, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to run a copy command. As you can see in this copy command, there are no options that I have provided. I'm just going to simply run it. I come here, I refresh it, and you see the file Netflix underscore titles.csv still present. The file has not been removed. Now I am going to truncate this table and I'm going to run the copy command again, this time with the purge equal to true enabled. I'm going to select data from here. We see that data has been loaded into this table. Now let us go here into the cloud storage and let us refresh. As you can see, the file has been deleted. So using purge equal to true is a mechanism for us to delete a file as soon as it is loaded into our stage. So coming back to the question, specify the purge copy option in the copy into command is a right answer. Now let us move on and try to find out how we can use the remove command to do the same. Now the remove command is generally used with internal stages. I can use the remove command in SnowCLI to remove the file from an internal stage. So in order to demonstrate this, what I am going to do is that I'm going to start off by creating an internal stage. And now that I have created an internal stage, I'm going to list the files in the internal stage. Obviously, I just created the stage, so no files will be present. However, I could do something to populate the internal stage, which is run the copy into command to populate it. As we see, there has been a successful unload of file into the internal stage. Let me go ahead and list the files. So we see that we have three files here which came from the customers table. Now the question is, how do we use the remove command to remove the files? So we would do that by using SnowCLI. Now I am already logged into SnowCLI, and what I am going to do is that I'm going to run the same list command that we saw here again. We ran this list command, the same list command I'm going to run again, and we see the same information that we saw in SnowSite in SnowCLI. The next step is to remove these files, which I will do with the help of the remove command. Remove at the rate internal underscore stage. The output here clearly shows removed, which means that these three files have been removed. Now I am going to again list. I did a list and you see the list produced no files. I can re-verify the same thing by running a list command here and you see there is no data present here. So coming back to the certification question, the two right answers are purge and remove